Have you ever wondered where we stand in the grand scheme of time and our universe? To begin to grasp the scale of time, we have to dive into a concept called deep time. Deep time is a term coined to describe the vast, unimaginable ages that stretch behind us and ahead of us, the astronomical lengths of the past and future. It's a concept so vast, so profound, that it's almost impossible for our human minds to truly comprehend. Let's embark on a journey back to the very beginning of everything we know. We're talking about the Big Bang, an incredible event that occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Picture a moment of creation, an expansion of time and space, an eruption of matter and energy, the birth of the known universe as we know it. Before this moment, there was nothing that we know of, no time, no space. And from this singularity, this point of infinite density, our universe began to expand and evolve, setting the cosmic clock ticking. In the immediate aftermath of the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense sea of particles and energy. Over millions of years, as the universe expanded, it cooled, gradually allowing the formation of atoms, the building blocks of everything we see around us today. Now, you might be wondering, how do we know all this? How can we possibly determine the age of the universe? Well, it's not easy. Scientists have used a combination of methods, including observations of the oldest celestial objects, measurements of the rate of expansion of the universe, and the study of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. It's a journey of understanding that has taken us thousands of years, from ancient philosophers gazing at the stars to modern scientists peering into the very fabric of the cosmos. And yet, there's so much more we still don't know. So, the known universe has been around for 13.8 billion years, but where do stars fit into this timeline? Stars, those glittering jewels in the night sky, have their own life cycles and generations. They're not just static points of light, but dynamic, ever-changing entities born from the raw materials of the cosmos. Let's start at the beginning. Stars are born from vast clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae. These nebulae, under the influence of gravity, collapse into swirling disks of material. At the heart of these disks, the pressure and temperature rise until nuclear fusion ignites and a star is born. But what happens next is truly fascinating. Stars are nuclear powerhouses fusing hydrogen into helium in their cores. As they exhaust their hydrogen fuel, they start fusing helium and other lighter elements into heavier ones, like carbon and oxygen. This process continues, creating even heavier elements such as iron, until a star's nuclear furnace can no longer sustain it. And so, a star dies, often in a spectacular supernova explosion, scattering its elemental bounty across the cosmos. This stellar debris, now enriched with new elements, can form the seeds of future stars, planets, and even life. Now, let's consider our Sun, a beacon of light and life. It's at least a third-generation star, born from the ashes of two or more previous generations of stars. Just ponder on that for a moment. The atoms in your body, the air you breathe, the ground you walk on, all were forged in the hearts of long-dead stars. We are, quite literally, stardust. Considering the known universe has been around for about 13.8 billion years, there could have been many generations of stars previous to our Sun. Each generation enriching the cosmos with more and more complex elements, setting the stage for planets and life to emerge. The universe is not just about stars and galaxies. There's also a special planet we call home. Our Earth, a special sphere in the vast cosmos, has its own unique history. Like a book with countless chapters, Earth's narrative is filled with fascinating tales of transformation and resilience. Let's rewind the clock back to about 4.5 billion years ago. Our planet was born from the dust and gas left over after the formation of the Sun. In this violent and chaotic period, a rogue planetoid struck the young Earth, casting off debris that would eventually coalesce to form our Moon. Fast forward a few 100 million years, and life began to emerge. The first living organisms were simple, single-celled creatures. But over time, they evolved into a breathtaking array of complexity and diversity. Now let's jump to about 230 million years ago. This was the era of the dinosaurs, those mighty beasts that roamed our planet for nearly 165 million years. They ruled the Earth until around 65 million years ago, when a colossal asteroid impact triggered a mass extinction. The Earth, however, proved resilient. Life rebounded in the aftermath of the extinction event, and the stage was set for the rise of mammals. Our planet's climate continued to change, cycling through periods of warmth and cold. The most recent of these cold periods, known as the Ice Age, ended only about 12,000 years ago. Throughout Earth's history, the planet has been shaped and reshaped by geological forces, the ebb and flow of life, and the relentless march of time. It's a story of resilience and transformation, of life's ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. As we've seen, Earth has a long history, but what about us humans? When compared to the age of the universe or Earth, human lifespans are but a blink of an eye. Our lives, when set against the vast backdrop of cosmic time, are ephemeral, fleeting and transient, like a snowflake on a summer's day. Let's consider the age of the universe, which is estimated to be around 13.8 billion years old. If we shrink this down to the length of a single calendar year, then the entire history of humanity, from the first Homo sapiens to our present day, would fit into the last half hour of December 31st. That's right, our entire existence as a species would be a mere 30 minutes on the cosmic calendar. Now let's bring this closer to home. If we compare our average lifespan to the age of Earth, which is around 4.5 billion years old, human lives would amount to less than a second. It's a humbling realization, isn't it? But it doesn't make us insignificant. On the contrary, it emphasizes the rarity and preciousness of each human life. Just like stars, we are born, we live, and we die. But in our brief existence, we have the capacity to experience, to learn, to love, to create, and to leave a lasting impact. Each moment of our lives is a unique point in the history of the universe, never to be repeated. Each second is a treasure, each minute a gift, and each hour a blessing. Our lives are short, yes, but they are not empty. They are filled with moments of joy and sorrow, triumph and defeat, love and loss. We may be ephemeral in the grand scheme of the cosmos, but to each other we are the world. And it is in these moments of connection, of shared experience and understanding, that we find our place in the universe. So remember, although our lives may seem short when compared to the vast expanse of cosmic time, each life is a precious jewel, a unique story. In the tapestry of existence, our lives are short, but they are filled with moments of beauty. Life, as we know it, is a rare and precious gift. In this vast cosmic tapestry, strewn with countless stars and galaxies, Earth is the only sphere we know of that cradles life. Trillions of planets whirl around their stars, yet we have found no other place where the magic of life unfolds. Think of a child stepping into a snow flurry for the first time. The wonder in their eyes, the laughter ringing out in the cold air, their small hands reaching out to touch the unique snowflakes. Each snowflake, like each moment, is unique and fleeting. That's what life is, a series of unique, fleeting moments. We, like that child, are experiencing the universe for the first time. Our existence, a blink in the cosmic timescale, is filled with awe and wonder, much like that child's first encounter with the snow. Our lives, though brief, are filled with experiences that echo in the grandeur of the universe. The elements that compose us, the very atoms that make up our being, were once forged in the hearts of stars. We are, in the most literal sense, stardust. We are a way for the universe to know itself, to explore itself, to marvel at its own grandeur. Yet, in this vast cosmic dance, life as we know it is exceedingly rare. The universe is mostly a harsh, inhospitable place, unsuitable for life. Most of the universe's history was devoid of life, and much of its future will likely be the same. That makes our existence, our experiences, our joys and sorrows, all the more precious. Each breath we take, each beat of our heart, each smile and tear is a testament to the rarity and wonder of life. So let us cherish each moment, each experience. Let us approach life with the same awe and joy as a child playing in the snow for the first time. Because each moment, each experience is rare and precious, just like life itself in the vastness of the universe.